Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today in this video we'll explain how to fix WhatsApp desktop keeps logging out on PC and show you a few simple solutions to keep your account signed in. Step 1. Press the Windows key and the I key together to open Windows settings. This area lets you control system options like privacy, updates and app behavior on your PC. Step 2. Click on Privacy from the Settings menu. Privacy settings control which apps can run in the background and access system resources. Step 3. From the left panel, find and select Background Apps, then scroll down to locate WhatsApp. Make sure the toggle for WhatsApp is turned on so the app can run in the background and stay logged in. Step 4. If the issue continues, reinstall WhatsApp Desktop from the Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store, search for WhatsApp, and click Install to fix corrupted files or incorrect app settings. Step 5. Check that your Windows system is fully updated by opening Settings again and clicking Update and Security. Select Check for Updates and install any available updates, as system bugs can affect app stability. Step 6. If none of these steps work, open your web browser and go to web.whatsapp.com. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan the QR code with your phone so you can continue using WhatsApp without the desktop app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful PC troubleshooting videos.